Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my first update for Graveyard Project Pan. This is a project that was created by Emily from Emily and Max, who's linked down below. We started this on April 30th and it goes through October 31st. So it's a 6-month project, updates every other month. So this is the first update and I have progress, not a whole bunch, but I do have some. So let's start with this. So, I forgot to mention, there are 2 categories, collecting cobwebs and resurrection. So collecting cobwebs is just something in your collection that has been in your collection and you want to get use out of. Resurrection is something that you've previously panned. Either you didn't hit your goal or maybe you hit pan on it and you want to get some more use out of it, etc. This project is rolling. I don't think I mentioned that in my intro, or I was confused on if this was rolling or not in my intro, but it is rolling. So yeah, let's start with this. This is the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle Blush Palette. This could be Resurrection or this could be Collecting Cobwebs, either way. And my goal is to hit pan on one blush. Once I hit a pan, if that happens pretty quickly, then I'll work on one of the other 2 shades. So I'm currently working on this shade right here. And I've used this shade 9 times. One of those is today. The issue with this blush is it's light. It's light. You're probably like, Missy, that's actually a good idea. Yeah, I guess it's a good thing. Not a good idea, a good thing. So I can have, because I have to build it up. But I've since worn off the pattern. This blush was brand new, so it looked like the one right underneath it, or I guess right on top of it if you're looking at it this way. So my goal is to hit pan. If I were to guess, I will have pan, at least pan by the next update. And if I hit pan before the next update, then I'll just move on to the next shade and work on it until the end of this project. So 9 times, we ain't there yet. Next is my Profusion Foundation. This is a Collecting Cobwebs. I completely forgot to weigh this, per usual. And I thought I would be able to see through it, but I can't. But I've used this 7 times. My goal is to finish this. I have a pretty good inclination that this will be done by the next update, which will be the end of August, because we're updating every other month. So yeah, I don't love this foundation anymore. It's a little too heavy. It's supposed to be like a natural finish. And before, I think when I had a little bit drier skin and I don't know, I don't like it anymore. It doesn't help that I have a lot of texture now, whereas I didn't before. And so yeah, it just looks heavy. I was mixing it with a thinner foundation that was also the wrong color, and that helped a little bit. But yeah, I definitely don't like that and definitely wouldn't repurchase it. Their skin tint, however, gorgeous. BB cream, skin tint, I don't know. Anyway, I've used that 7 times and my goal is to finish it. Next, I have this hot pink blush. I believe this is something I frankened. I honestly don't remember. I made a beautiful color if I did it. It is under all of this mess today. Really pretty color, perfect for this time of year. That's why I'm trying to make a lot of use, or get a lot of use out of it. Why do I keep throwing my towels in the trash when I'm not done with them? Misty, stop it. Anyway, my goal for that is to hit pan, and I've used it 7 times. It's a really, really, really pretty blush. It's a really pretty cool tone blush. I mean, people are paying lots of money for these blush shades, and I created my own. Anyway, goal is to hit pan. Next is another blush. This is just orange blush, and I made this one as well. My goal is to finish that. I don't know if I will. I did hit pan though. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. I've used this one 6 times. I don't know that I'll finish this. I'm going to give it the good old honest try. The issue is it's not a color that I absolutely love to wear. You guys know I don't love oranges very much. I guess I can mix those together. I have been layering with the e.l.f. cream blush palette that I've been panning in Pan That Palette, and that helps a little bit. And then I'm also, if you saw my Deca painting update, you saw that I got the Joker and I brought in this to finish. So I'm sure these 2 will be beautiful. Beautiful together. So will I finish it? I don't know. I'm going to do my best to get it done though. So yeah, I've used that 6 times. And then last but not least is another thing in to finish that I may end up frankening. So I brought in a cream bronzer, again to finish. I've used it 9 times, and this color is just not a good color for me. It's a bit warm, like peanut buttery warm. And so I'm panning this and pan that palette. This is the e.l.f. palette. And I kind of made them all into one, hoping that it would lighten it up, and it didn't. But I think if I mix them together, it may actually be a pretty good match, at least a little better than what we got going on right now. So my goal is to finish that. If I end up frankening it, I will put a little bit of each into one of these little metal pans and do it that way, and not like do the entire thing at a time. That way I can play with it and get a good color for me for going forward. So yeah, that is it. For the next update, I do believe I will have pan in that pink blush, that cream blush. I do believe this will be finished. And I will hopefully have pan in this. And like I said, if I hit pan in this, I'm just going to move on to one of the next shades. If I'm going to guess, probably this one. This one may be a little deep. Well, maybe not. Ooh, that's a really pretty blush. Jeez, they almost look alike. This one is a bit cooler. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. There you go. There you go, there you go, there you go. That's it. There's still time to jump on this one. We end on Halloween. Halloween, yeah. And again, what did it? I think it's 3 to 6 products. 6 to 10, 5 to 8. I honestly don't remember, but Emily has it all in her introduction, and all of that stuff is linked down below. So yeah. I'm not huge on 6-month projects, but I had to jump on Pan is the Word because you guys know I love that kind of whole era of US history, and I loved Greece, and I enjoyed this one so much last year. I think it's just so much fun, and so many people do it, and it's fun seeing everybody's update, and it's so relaxed and chill. So yeah. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, Lord, Misty, start all over. Thank you so much for joining me today. Leave a message letting me know which blush shade I should work on next. Should I work on the one with the chocolate or the one with the BH logo? I mean, it's not really chocolate, but you know what it is. It's like on top of a truffle, or the BH logo. Because I honestly don't know. I can't decide. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Still time to jump on this one. I mean, if you pick something that you can move through quickly, or something that you just want to get some usage goals out of, I think that's a fantastic way to use this project. So we are heading into July 4th weekend here in the US, so please be safe. Don't drink and drive, don't drink and boat. Wear a life jacket if you can't swim. All of the things. Don't light off fireworks in your hand, like all of the things. Just be careful, because I love you and I want to see you in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans. I'm posting this eye look. I don't know if it's up already or not, but be sure to follow me over there. Is there anything else? I don't think so. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.